I can tell you how my day 8 went. First, I ate my breakfast, I had my perfect lunch in my balcony, had my dinner with my mom virtually, and I also sent my video to the ship, and I'm so happy to see that they played it on our television. And those time in between? Oh my god, I just spent the entire day and night editing videos of my day 4 and day 7. Hope you guys have watched a previous video. If you did, thank you so much. Hello everyone, good morning, my name is Jade and welcome back to my channel. So this is our 9th day of our quarantine at sea. I slept like past 5 a.m. Our mighty working crew member gave me my breakfast. I really wanted to sleep more, but housekeeping just knocked and gave us the package. So this is the package. So this red one, if I remember right, are for the dirty towels. So these green ones are for the linens, for my bed sheets. While this one is for my garbage. So I really have to jump off the bed and clean my cabin. So let's start the day. So we're done cleaning. This is where I keep my laptop. What's in here? Few more days I can have my own convenience store here in the cabin. So these are from the breakfast. Those are the times when I have my toothache. I haven't taken a shower yet because it's already past 12. And room service may knock on the door to give me my food. So I'm just waiting for them and then I'm going to take a shower.
A few moments later.
Waiting.
A few inches later. Eventually.
What are the options?
Beef, fish or vegetarian?
Thank you.
Beef soda?
Yes. Diet Coke.
Yes, ate. Diet Coke? Let's go, Peter.
So our food is here and I didn't realize that they already gave us the new set of towels and linens. So I've got the beef and mashed potatoes. And I have my Diet Coke here. I'm not that hungry yet, so I'm going to take a shower since I'm not expecting anybody now. They're gonna have the second temperature check in the afternoon, so I have so much time. So